Facebook marketing versus Instagram marketing. Which one is best for your business in 2021? Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I'm Sean with LYFE Marketing, and you are watching Marketing Takes, a new show where we talk about and debate different digital marketing strategies and channels and which one works best for business in 2021. And today I am joined by two special guests from our in-house marketing team. Today we have Brandy, who is our marketing manager and responsible for a lot of the blogs and video content and social media posts that you see from LYFE Marketing. And we also have Anthony, who's a part of our business development team. He's one of the first people that you meet when you want to talk to our agency. So Anthony and Brandy, welcome to the show. How are y'all doing today?
Doing great, Sean.
So give me one highlight from the last week. What has been going on?
Yeah. So highlight has just been onboarding a bunch of great clients for us, loving helping small businesses grow, and also helping us with our reel initiative, getting some reels on the Instagram page as well. It's been great.
Well, yes, I love seeing your reels. A win for us is we just surpassed 10,000 subscribers on YouTube. So that's really exciting.
Yes, that's awesome. Great work, Brandy. So let's go ahead and dive into Facebook versus Instagram. So, of course, we know the importance of focus and not trying to juggle too many things at one time. So, if someone is trying to decide, should I start with Facebook marketing or should I start with Instagram marketing, which one do you think is more important for people to start with?
Yeah, well, I think when it comes down to it, Facebook and Instagram are both really, really powerful tools to utilize for any digital marketing goal or for any business. However, I really love Facebook just due to the fact that it's still one of the largest and sought out social media platforms out there with around 3 billion monthly active users, while Instagram only, and I use only very loosely because it's a lot, they have about 1 billion monthly active users. So with that being said, I think the reach on Facebook can be a lot further just because of the monthly active users that the platform has.
So what I would say is if you're talking about a business that is starting like literally from zero, I would say Instagram for a couple reasons. One, I saw a survey recently that said Instagram users are 58% more likely to like, share, or comment on a picture as compared to Facebook. And then the second thing is that people remember 10% of what they hear, 20% of what they read, and 80% of what they see. And with Instagram being such a visual platform, I think it lends itself to better brand recall and engagement. I think it's easier for people to binge consume your content on Instagram and get really wrapped in your business than it is on a Facebook page. And that's just huge for businesses that are just starting out.
Makes a lot of sense. So what would you guys say is one thing that maybe Facebook has that Instagram doesn't have?
Yeah. So when it comes down to Facebook, of course, owns Instagram. However, when it comes down to it, Facebook, of course, like I mentioned, has more active users than Instagram. But what really sets Facebook apart from Instagram is the potential to reach a larger audience, right? So Facebook also offers several methods of interaction. And what I mean by that is you can advertise via newsfeed. You can advertise via the right-hand side or those banner ads. You have the option to do groups as well. So join different groups tailored around your business. And also one function that I really love is the chat function where you can actually live chat with your audience. So this ultimately makes Facebook, in my opinion, better at distributing information, and you can use more so linky text and actually link different articles within that text. They can click that link, go straight to a website. That's why I think Facebook sets itself apart from Instagram with. Or
Brandy, what do you think? What does Instagram have that maybe Facebook doesn't?
Yeah. Okay. So Instagram is the platform where you can get away with organic strategies a little bit more than Facebook. So while Facebook has more users, you may be able to actually reach those users more and with a smaller budget on Instagram. And even so, if you are using ads on Instagram, Instagram has a lot of the same ad placements that Facebook does with the Instagram newsfeed and story ads. But it also has a few that Facebook doesn't have, like IGTV ad placements, Instagram Explore page ad placements, and I also wouldn't be surprised if we saw ads for Reels coming into play in the near future as well.
Definitely, real ads just sounds so exciting already. I can imagine us doing that for a lot of our clients. So let's talk about sales for a little bit. When it comes to trying to drive sales, whether that is through advertisements or just organic posts, which place do you think is a better gives you a better opportunity to drive sales between Facebook and Instagram?
So something actually really specific that I've seen on Instagram recently that I have not seen on Facebook is a promotion or a coupon from Instagram. And I have a screenshot that I can put up on the screen. Um, but it's a coupon from Instagram to get $10 off of an order when you spend $30 buying directly on Instagram. And again, this is coming from the Instagram platform. So Instagram shops have been out for a while, but the ability to purchase from shops directly through the Instagram platform is newer. And I think we're seeing them push that with these types of coupons because this coupon literally popped up for me like mid scroll. So I think Instagram is starting to set itself apart as a shopping platform. And that can be really beneficial for e commerce owners specifically, too.
Well, I would say Facebook is powerful too because again, you can use those better ads. You have more ad placements, in my opinion. I do definitely agree with what Brady said earlier, though, with them possibly rolling out the real ads. I think that's going to be a powerful tool. But for right now, when it comes to desktop and mobile, I really think there's more ad placements for Facebook, in my personal opinion.
So I want to challenge you guys a little bit more. So of course, Facebook has more users than Instagram. Does that make Facebook better than Instagram? Brandy, what do you think about that?
Not necessarily. I mean, like I said, you can reach more people organically on Instagram. But even with advertising dollars, like sometimes with newer features, like for example, let's say Instagram Reel ads do come out. You can normally have a cheaper like cost per impression, cost per click with the newer ad placements. So no, I don't think Facebook just having more users in general automatically makes it better.
So when it comes between the two, of course, we talked about sales. What about fans and followers, brand awareness? Um, Anthony, what kind of edge would you give Facebook over Instagram in terms of just generating more sheer fan value?
Yeah, I think it comes to play with groups, but also I think it comes to play with again Facebook having the 3 billion monthly active users. So I really think with them having more users on the platform, statistically you can get more fans on the platform altogether. Um, so that's my answer for mine, if that helps.
Makes sense. Thanks. So, okay, well, that makes a lot of sense. A lot of great information so far. Closing thoughts, closing arguments. Okay, when we look at Facebook versus Instagram and trying to choose throughout all the endless options of which one you should start with, why would you say Facebook over Instagram or Instagram over Facebook?
Yeah, I can take this one first. I think it does depend on the nature of your business a little bit, but I think it's also obvious that Facebook owns Instagram because they're both great platforms. But Instagram offers some unique features for business owners, like we've talked about, that Facebook usually seems to offer either at a later point, like Facebook Stories came out after Instagram Stories, or Facebook's not offering it at all yet, like Instagram Reels. So I would say Instagram can be a great place for specifically e-commerce and B2C business owners to really connect with their audience and start encouraging sales in their shops and building their brand on a smaller budget.
Anthony, what's your final take?
Yeah, so I'm gonna take Facebook for the win. I keep harping about it, but just because of the sheer number of powerful monthly active users it has in there, the capability of doing lookalike audiences, retargeting ads, the capability of having so much visible space for the ads. Um, I'm just going to take Facebook for the win on my end.
Definitely makes sense. Well, thank you so much for giving us your perspective, your takes today, guys. And we'll definitely see you in our next debates. So, everyone, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please tell us in the comment section which platform you think is best for business. Write Facebook if you think Facebook is the best, and write Instagram if you think Instagram is the best. And as always, as Brandy mentioned as well, it really comes down to what are your marketing goals. It sounds like from these two perspectives that Instagram gives you an edge when it comes to organic reach and trying to get more fans without spending money. But if you do have an ad budget and you're ready to spend money and you're willing to use that money to get more traffic, more fans, more conversions, then Facebook may be a better platform for you. So think about that as well. As always, if you enjoyed it, hit like, hit subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.